Want to instantly boost your house's curb appeal? Today I'm building these beautiful modern cedar handle planters from scratch. They look expensive, but they are surprisingly easy and cheap to make yourself. Let's go, guys! First, I rip the cedar boards into slats, then cross-cut them into pieces. After I assemble everything with wood glue and a brad nailer, apply some stain and it's done. Now let's get into the details. My plastic flower pots have an 11 inches diameter, so I'm sizing this planter to fit them perfectly. I'm using standard 1 by 6 by 6 cedar boards. First I head over to the table saw and rip the boards into 1-inch wide slats. Then I using my miter saw, I cross cut them into 12.5 inches pieces. Here's a quick tip: as you can see, I paint a few slats together with a brad nailer first. This lets me cut multiple pieces at once, perfectly flush and even. To put it all together, I'm using galvanized brad nails and Titebond 3 ultimate wood glue. It's waterproof, which is a must for outdoor planters. First I build the bottom frame, I make square outline and then add 3 extra slats across the middle to create a solid base for the pot to sit on. Once the base is ready, I flip it over and start building the walls. The pattern is simple: 2 slats parallel and then 2 slats perpendicular, alternating as I go up. For each planter you'll need 27 of these pieces. Of course, if you make the same ones as me. Every few rows I test fit the plastic pot to make sure the spacing is just right. Once I reach the top of the pot, I add 2 slightly thinner pieces right at the end to level out the top surface perfectly. So that makes it 29 pieces total per planter. Since I'm making a matching pair, I decided to play around with some stains I already had in the workshop. I used a darker tone and a lighter tone, alternating them row by row to create this cool contrasting look. But honestly, if you don't have stained cedar, looks amazing, completely natural too. To finish them off, I pre-drilled holes in the top corners and screwed in some metal eye hooks. I cut two eagle lengths of chain, hung them up, and voila, job done. I think they turn out fantastic, and most importantly, my wife absolutely loves them. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and if you have any questions about the build, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next project.